Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, my name is Sanjana Akter Sima. I am a former IELTS student of HEXA'S Zindabazar. I sat for my IELTS exam in 8 February and I got my results few days ago. My overall band score is 7.5 with an individual score of 8.5 in reading, 7.5 in listening and 6.5 in both speaking and writing. My batch number was HZ27023 and my instructors were Taspia ma'am and Adrita ma'am. I was able to achieve my desired band score because of unique teaching method of Taspia ma'am and Adrita ma'am and the proper guideline from HEXA'S Zindabazar. So I want to thank everyone who have helped me to achieve my desired band score, and thanks to HEXA'S Zindabazar for helping me throughout the journey.